Hello everyone. In this next series of video, I am showing you the question set which basically come in CKA exam. So if you are preparing for certified Kubernetes administrator exam and you have very good knowledge of Kubernetes, then you can follow these question set and do the practice in your lab exam, and you will definitely pass the exam. So after changing the pattern in 2025 February for CK exam and few topics are added, I have included all those topics in this set of question set of series. So for each question I have prepared different videos, so you have to follow in sequence. So let's uh, work on the first question. Okay. The first question is that create a new horizontal pod scaler named Apache-server in the autoscale namespace. This HPA must target the existing deployment called Apache server in the autoscale namespace. Set the HPA to target for 50% CPU usage per pod. Configure HPA to have at min 1 pod and max 4 pods. Also set the downscale stabilization window to go to 30 seconds. So this is one question where you have to configure where you have to create the horizontal pod scaler, and it has different many parts. So in exam you don't have to remember your YAML file. You will provided the Kubernetes document page. You will be given the link of this page and you can search here HPA. So you can see that there are two links will come. So just open this both the link. So discuss this. You have to scroll some. Okay, no, this is not for YAML. Check. So just I have opened two pages. So just check on this, and after scrolling, you can see that this is the YAML file for autoscaler. It, so just copy from till average utilization. You don't need to copy status. Just copy it. Create a file. Paste here. Now read the question. Create a new record. Name Apache server and then namespace autoscale. So here you have to give the name Apache server and give here you have to edit and give the namespace autoscale. Here you have to also give the name Apache server, because the SPA must target the existing deployment called Apache server. So deployment is target is deployment, that is name is Apache server in the autoscale namespace. Now set the SPA target to 50% CPU usage per pod. So here it is already given 50%. Don't need to change anything. Configure SPA to have at min 1 pod and max 4 pod. Again with the max 4 pod. Now just save it. But before applying in exam, you will be given the deployment that is called Apache server already. But here you have to create the deployment because in live environment for practice purpose. So you have to check in exam. You have to check that deployment exists or not. Just kubectl get deployment hyphen live. So first check the namespace. So you can see autoscale namespace is already there. I have created in live environment. The command is create ns. So in this way you can create the namespace. So as I have already created, so it is showing the error. Now for the deployment in your lab environment, just go to the same page where you have found the SPA, or you can also search the deployment and just copy. This is the deployment name is deployment is given. You can copy and edit the name, like its name is PHP Apache, and in your question it is name is Apache server. So just change the name accordingly and give the namespace also here. So I have created a YAML file. You can see that I have given the name Apache server, namespace autoscale, and then I have created the so in exam you don't have to do this. It is already created. Now go back to the question for HPA. You have done you have basically configured the YAML for targeting the deployment Apache server. You have also set the target SPA target to 50%. Configure SPA to have 1 and 4. You have already done 4, and if average utilization is 50. Now last thing is also set the down scale stabilization window to 30 seconds. So for this, go back to this page, and here you can found that this is the behavior stabilization scale down. Just copy here, copy from here, and go to your YAML file. After spec you can paste. Okay, now check that behavior. After that you have to give some space scale down. So YAML, otherwise it will give you error, and here also. Okay, and the window is 30 seconds, so you have to edit this to 30 seconds. Now save it and apply. Now you can see that your SPA is created. UCTL, UCTL, get HPA. You have to give the namespace. Now you can see the HPA. And also check describe. You can see that. See, so in this way, the first you will attend the first question and just subscribe. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and keep tuned with the latest and upcoming videos based on the Kubernetes exam. And I will after the exam question, I will also share the another questions which will help you to practice, and that is more important for troubleshooting purpose. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe my channel and keep updated with the latest and upcoming videos that is based on the CKA exam. Thank you guys.